Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to look at quadratics and how to factorize a quadratic. So this here is a quadratic. Now we can tell that this is a quadratic because all quadratic equations have the same basic structure. You have some number multiplied by an x squared or some variable squared, plus or minus another number multiplied by another variable, this time to the power 1, plus or minus another number. And just to remember that, like in this example, where it doesn't appear that there is a number in front of our variable, it is actually 1, okay? So, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at the last number here, the 14, the plus 14. This is our guide number. And what we do with our guide number is we find the factors of 14. Okay? So our factors of 14 are 1 by 14, 2 by 7, 7 by 2, 14 by 1. Okay? The next thing we're going to do is we look at our middle term here. In this example, it is plus 9x. What we want is we want some of the factors of our guide number, 14. If we were to add up the factors, what would any of them add up to our middle term here? So for example, 1 plus 14 is 50. 2 plus 7 is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 14 plus 1 is 15. So obviously, these two factors of 14 will add up to 9, plus 9. So we will choose the first one here. What we are now going to do is we are going to rewrite this equation in terms of my factors. So, x squared plus 9x plus 14 is the same as saying x squared plus 2x plus 7x plus 14. And again, where am I getting those figures from? I'm getting them from here. Okay, so now we have a new equation. Our new equation is x squared plus 2x plus 7x plus 14. What we're going to do here now is we're going to do type 2 factorization. And type 2 factorization is the same as doing type 1 factorization twice. So we split our equation up into two separate groups. X squared plus 2x and plus 7x plus 14. So we ask ourselves, when we're doing type 1 factorization, is there any common constants first of all? And in this example, x squared plus 2x, there is no common constants. So then we look and we see, is there any common variables? And there is a common variable here, x. So we take x out. So taking x out, x squared divided by x is x, plus 2x divided by x is plus 2. That's this side dealt with. On this side, again we ask ourselves the question, is there any common constants? There is 7. Is there any common variables? In this case there isn't. So we take a plus 7 out from both sides. So 7x divided by 7 is just x. 14 divided by 7 is plus 2. Now, you will notice that this here and this here are the same, which is what we expected. So we write that down here, x plus 2. And what's left over? We've got an x and we have a plus 7. So we write that beside it here, x plus 7. Okay, so now what we have is x plus 2 and x plus 7 are my factors of the quadratic equation x squared plus 9x plus 14. So now we do the check. To do the check, we simply expand my brackets here. So let me rewrite them. So to expand brackets, we write the first term, x, then we write x plus 7, the second bracket, plus 2, x plus 7 again, and we multiply them. So there's my x, it goes there. My plus 2 goes here. And my x plus 7 appears twice in those locations. So multiplying in x by x and then x by 7x. So x by x is x squared, x by 7 is plus 7x. Here we have 2 multiplied by x and 2 multiplied by 7. 2 by x plus 2x. 2 by 7 is plus 14. Finally, we tidy up. X squared is just x squared. 7x plus 2x can be combined to give me a plus 9x, and my plus 14 just stays the same. So now what you can see is that this equation is the exact same as my original equation. So my factors x plus 2 plus x plus 2 brackets x plus 7 are the correct factors of my quadratic equation x squared plus 9x plus 14.